1938 National Cash Register. Item 1, $55.50. And we're going to go ahead and pay out. Give me cash money. Cha-ching. Money received. It'll work exactly right, but thing is in great shape. Clippers work nice. Removable drawer. This is really cool right here. All the buttons do work perfectly. It's got a customer counter on it. It's got a money counter for the daily total amount. A reset counter to count if the cashier working resets the total daily amount if they're trying to take out of the drawer. It's a pretty neat little machine. They were really thinking back in the day.
What goes on here, man?
Oh, that's just all the mechanical workings of it. It's crazy.
I know.
It's all this stuff. There's the drawer.
It's like a box.
Slings the drawer open. There's two arms that go up underneath of here that throw this open. The reset counter, I'll click it. You'll see some stuff move here. Oh, wait. How do I gotta do that again? I gotta do it with open or something. There we go. Now resets everything.